Hello, country people. I have no power to release Nnamdi Kanu Buhari replies or Nzeribe. President Muhammadu Buhari don't tell Southeast leaders saying a court go decide wetin go happen to indigenous people of Biafra's leader Nnamdi Kanu. Buhari had this one when he been meet with Southeast leaders inside new government house for Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. Nzeribe been there. Beg Buhari make he release Nnamdi Kanu and other Biafran agitators wey dey for government custody. IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu na him them kidnap inside Kenya for June 2021, carry come Nigeria unto make he for come face some charges. Bubu say him dey concerned about wetin Southeast Igbo don turn to, even wetin wey don happen within 48 hours. Bubu say he no get ear infection again. Him dey hear everything wey dey happen. How some terrorists they kill innocent people. And make we even yarn as take talk am. He said, I have listened carefully to the various appeals from the elders to the traditional leaders regarding a wide range of options. And as I have said previously, this matter remains in the full purview of the court where it will be properly adjudicated. My worry is for our hardworking and innocent civilians for whom life is already tough and would like to earn a decent and honest living. There are many that fit this profile and the government owes them that obligation to protect lives and properties. I will once again repeat, no one has the right to carry an AK-47 and anyone seen in any part of the country doing so and is not a law enforcement officer is a threat to our peaceful coexistence and should be treated as such. And as Buhari take yarn, he no get power to release Nnamdi Kanu based on waiting he dey talk. Let's proceed to the next story. Now, meet the real owner of Odogwu Bitters, herbal alcoholic drink. Many people been think say na Obi Kubana be the producer or the owner of Odogwu Bitters alcoholic drink. This one na the rumor where they spread for social media. Obi Kubana na just brand promoter, marketer. Unto say Obi Kubana, they popular. He get many people where they follow him for social media. And I make them give him contract, make him market Odogwu Bitters. Now the type of work where him been they do self. Brand promoter. Obi Kubana na open maya. Na open maya ge. Odogwu Bitters na herbal alcoholic drink where contain mixture of organic ingredients like honey and ginger, wey fit help increase libido and also provide antioxidant wey go help digestive system work. It also help the body to maintain sugar craving and it fight common flu. Now waiting we hear, I never test them. Well, the real owner of the drink, they hide at all. Now him don dey popular onto this kind of company where they do distilling, that's it, in alumina blending, packaging and marketing of both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks that are successful. Some are sold or launched in the market. It is owned and produced by IKI Leads, owned by Chief Innocent Onwunale, and a billionaire in B. Person will bring out that kind of money, make Obi Kubana use the wrong things, get money. Obi Kubana don't really give benefits well to Odogwu Bitters and to himself, the owner throughout the years. Obi Kubana like we been yarn na brand promoter. Lots of waiting Obi Kubana they promote waiting data in shop. Okay, you say shop, I say shop. That that bar, all those in bar, and a promotion him they give them. Come also promote himself in business. Obi Kubana Enterprises. Odogwu Bitters don't spread worldwide through social media like Instagram and other media. Just after 1 week we enter market. Now so the guys are being work. In our popular them mad maya. I don't know when this Obiano and Obi supporters go end this competition. This time around, this one Peter them hammer. The writer say, how can you save 75 billion naira when your state don't have airports? No international standard market, no world-class hospital, no 5-star hotel, no free education, not even a digital transport system, no mechanized agricultural scheme. Oga Peter, what was your intention in saving that money? Poor infrastructural ideas was your major setback as a governor. That's what then they fight to Peter Obi people and the Obiano people. This one they want to show say Obiano better or Peter Obi better. Now so the fight don't continue since. This one want to tell you say Oga better because among these people they fight too. Mande soku nda benyalife. Now so it be politics very dirty thing. Peter Obi ne ketu or they can say no send go send this here anywhere but that. Anyway, let me go to the next topic. It get one important thing where I want to share with you about Eastern region. That one the one where you go carry go home now. Although I go still yarn one story before we round up. Eastern region was an administrative region in Nigeria dating back originally from the division of the colony Southern Nigeria in 1954. The gap between the Eastern region and other parts of Nigeria was too much. It led to the resentment and envy. And make you know where that thing begins start to. The gap there too much. Now let's look at the facts. Between 1954 and 1964, Eastern Nigeria was described as the fastest growing economy in the world by Harvard Reviews, faster than China, Singapore, and the Asian tigers. Now number 2, for you to take home, the Eastern government was the only government in the world that invested 45% of its revenues in education. The number 3, the Eastern region has the biggest electricity supply, best hospitals, and the Igbos made up 60% of Nigerian civil service. That was then, before Anuago. And number 4, the Eastern Nigeria had the highest number of registered cars in Nigeria as at 1963 by a large margin. Now number 5, the number of registered businesses in Nigeria as at 1963 was as follows. East, 68,220. West, 5,776. North, 2,407. And number 6, all the progress the Eastern Nigeria made was destroyed during the Civil War, and we are still recovering from it. And credits for this material, Modernization and Politics Disintegration, Nigeria and the Igbo by Paul Amber. Hashtag Igbo History, hashtag Igbo Amaka. Now we're going to round up on a sad note, Politician Senator Arthur Nzeribe is reportedly dead. A source from the family who preferred anonymity confirmed the incident. The source hinted that the family is preparing a statement to announce the demise of Arthur Nzeribe, said to have passed on Saturday evening, that was yesterday. Nzeribe has been on life support for some times. Nzeribe, a First Republic politician, represented Imo West at the National Assembly. The longest-serving senator from Imo has been ill for some time. He was born on November 2, 1983. At 22, Nzeribe hit a mega fortune, becoming a major player in the nation's financial sector. Providence smiled on him, and he became so powerful and influential in Nigeria's political landscape. And he was elected a senator to represent Olo in 1999. And after that, we were not hearing much of Nzeribe. You cannot cheat nature. But that is it. We sympathize with the family for this loss. And this is where we draw the curtain for today. I am Azoka Ozo OJ. Bye-bye for now.